Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another challenge. So from May 28th to June 1st, I want to challenge you to check the label. So even as a vegan, we can eat a lot of processed junk. So I want us to challenge ourselves, vegan or no vegan, I want you to challenge yourself to check your food labels. And what you're going to do for those 5 days, May 28th to June 1st, is take a picture of the food item with the most ingredients in that label. And we'll go by a point system. If the food item has 1 ingredient, that's 5 points. If the food item has 2 ingredients, that's 4 points. If it has 3 ingredients, that's 3 points. 4 ingredients is 2 points, and 5 ingredients is 1 point. So the more ingredients, the less points. The less ingredients, the more points. Now this is a very important ground rule. You are to choose the food item in your day, only 1 item, and you're going to choose the item that has the most ingredients, okay? Don't cheat yourself on this challenge. So for example, one thing I'm guilty of, I drink a lot of this. Look how much ingredients it has. It has quite a long list, right, of ingredients. But for those 5 days, I'm not drinking that because I want to be a winner of this competition. All right. So if your item that has the most ingredients for the day has 5 or more ingredients, be honest with yourself and take a picture of it and show the group. Okay. Hold yourself accountable to the fact that you have a lot of processed food ingredients in your diet. Ground rule number 2. If you're eating a completely whole food plant-based diet and you got no labels for those 5 days, just take a picture of your dinner or your breakfast and that will get you your 5 points, okay? The person with the most points wins. And what are you winning? Some great prizes. There'll be 3 prizes. First place winner gets their grocery shopping on me, $100 gift card to the store of your choice. Second place winner will get this awesome blend jet, and third place will get a pretty cool t-shirt. All right, and so with that, everybody wins, whether you're first, second, or third place. But those who did the best, those who ate meals for 5 days that were minimally processed, will get a prize according to their points. All right, so definitely work hard, challenge yourself, don't cheat yourself, challenge yourself for 5 days to eat as much as you can, a minimally processed diet by checking the label. And then when the challenge is over, make sure that you continue to practice this habit of checking your label. All right, so I'll see you May 28th to June 1st. If you're interested, definitely check out the comment section. I'll have the invite to our Facebook group if you're not already in it. All right, and we'll see you in the challenge.